So you're thinking about shopping at ViralaLuna.com because you saw it trending. Maybe those deals look just too good to be true. Let's hit pause for a second and take a closer look together, because honestly, your money and personal info deserve better. First big red flag: the company behind ViralaLuna, called Vera Luna Ltd., was officially dissolved in January 2026. That means legally the business doesn't exist anymore, yet the website is still up. That's definitely not normal for a legit shop. Next, let's talk transparency. Real businesses put their address and phone number out there. You can find them, call them, even Google Maps them. With ViralaLuna? Nada. All I found were results for totally different companies in South Africa and India. And then there's the online footprint. A trustworthy business has reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or the Better Business Bureau. But for ViralaLuna.com, there's nothing. No legit customer reviews, just crickets. Now here's how you can protect yourself if you ever come across sites like this. First, check for that little HTTPS padlock in your browser. That only means your connection is secure, not that the site itself is trustworthy. Next, use tools like the GetSafe Online Checker or Google Transparency Report. Plug the URL in and see if it's flagged for scams or phishing. Look at the website itself. Are the images blurry? Are links broken? Is the text full of weird grammar mistakes? Those are classic scam signals. And finally, read the About Us page. If it sounds super generic or copy-pasted from somewhere else, that's a huge warning sign. Bottom line? If you can't verify who's behind a site and you can't find real customers talking about it, stay far away. Protect your wallet and your peace of mind.